I am Lieutenant Colonel Matthias Ledermann. I'm a FLIR operator with the Swiss Air Force, which is part of the Swiss Armed Forces, and responsible for military operations in Swiss airspace. A specific task in this responsibility is search and rescue. In these missions, time is critical because the missing person might be injured and in need of urgent medical assistance. Often in these missions, the missing people are in remote areas or in rough terrain, and with our helicopter we can quickly move there and begin the search. Lifeseeker is an important supplement to the instruments on board the helicopter. If a missing person has an active mobile phone, we can quickly narrow down the search sector, and it helps us speed up the time to find the missing person. Before Lifeseeker, we were mostly depending on optical sensors in the search. When covering large areas, the probability to find a missing person declines over time. Lifeseeker has helped us speed up the process and quickly concentrate on a certain spot. Our success rate has improved drastically. With the different systems on board of the helicopters, it is important that each system can be easily operated. Most functions of the Lifeseeker are automated to a degree that the workload for the operator remains at a comfortable level. Basic training can be done on a simulator, which greatly helps to understand the functionality of Lifeseeker. The knowledge gained on the simulator can be directly transferred to the system on board the helicopter.